And I've been waiting patiently to open this one with you. This finally arrived. I was informed I would be receiving it and was hoping it would get here earlier, but I think it got caught up in the mail somewhere, but now we have it, so let's go ahead and open it up. And Chantecaille always does things with such class and elegance, and this is no different. It's a lovely box with a giraffe on the front. And we have a very lovely note here from Olivia Chantecaille. I would love to share with you our newest collection for spring, the Giraffe collection. The spotted coats of giraffes, the warm tones of the acacia bark trees they feed on, and the shades of the African landscape are all part of the color story. We are proud to help give a voice and a future to giraffes by supporting the Giraffe Conservation Fund with this launch. Love, Olivia. So thank you so much to Chantecaille and to Olivia for sending this over. If you look at the interior top of the box, it says Chantecaille and it's felt. An additional note explaining the collection. So you can see we have the palette, 2 of the lip shades, and an HD Perfecting Loose Powder, face powder. This is a lovely box that I will most certainly store my jewelry in because it's nice that it's a felt surface. Let's go ahead and open the palette, but the packaging is beautiful as always, even the exterior packaging. And it shows here there are 4 shades, 4 flattering earth-toned neutrals that mix and match. And there's another insert, and make sure to read these because they do spend quite a bit of time investing beautiful colors and images as well as some very useful information. And they also make this accessible in many different languages. It also says giraffe populations have declined nearly 30% in 30 years. And finally, a palette with this beautiful giraffe on the front and then Chantecaille on the side. Those are really gorgeous colors. I'm so curious about that shimmery shade in the lower right-hand corner. Really excited about that shade in the upper left-hand corner. I think neutral fans will love that. I love that shade in the lower left-hand corner. It's got a beautiful warmth to it. And then we'll see what happens with those shimmery colors. That one in the upper right might surprise me as well. I think I'll do 2 looks with this palette. I'd like to try something every day, and then I'd love to really see what this can do, so I'm gonna smoke this one out. So look for 2 looks in the video featuring this palette. These are such beautiful shades and really creamy to the touch, even the shimmery shades. But you can see the one in the lower left-hand corner definitely has the most visible particles in terms of shimmer. And then the one in the upper right-hand corner still has intermittent shimmer. And then we have a satiny shade in the lower left-hand corner. Yeah, I'm really excited to see how I can build a smoky look using some of those shimmery shades on top. 2 shades of the lip cheeks here. We've got Freesia and we also have Jasmine. Really beautiful, soft, muted tones on the packaging here. We've got Freesia on the left and Jasmine on the right. Freesia is the cooler tone and Jasmine is the warmer tone. And Freesia is described as a flattering beige rose. Pretty. And then this is Jasmine, which is described as a neutral, soft peach. I also have here the HD Perfecting Loose Powder. This is in the shade Candlelight, and I don't really know much about this, so let's go ahead and open this up and take a look. Okay, so it comes like this, but then this plastic part goes down. Got a little bit of, I tried to open it up just to see what was in there, but I'll swatch that for you in a minute. But I was really curious to see what the powder looked like, but we'll learn about this product together. And then Candlelight is a beautiful, very subtle kind of glow on this powder, so I'm so curious to see how this will look on. We'll see how it does on things like texture and pores when I try this on, but it looks really beautiful here and I love the tone. It's got some of that peachy warmth that I love, so we'll definitely try these all together. I also made a Selfridges order, always in this fabric bag. And I ordered another Suqqu blush. I love the other one so much that I ordered something a little bit more muted. So let's take a look at this one. Lovely, sleek packaging on these Suqqu blushes. I ended up picking up shade 4. This looks like a beautiful, warm, muted blush. So we'll give that a try, maybe with the Giraffe palette. Let's take a look and see how those look together. Yeah, this is one of my favorite blush formulas. I think you can see that beautiful glow of the texture of these Suqqu blushes. Just stunning. And I also ordered something from Beautylish. I posted this on the community tab because it came back in stock. And it looks like Alma packed this, so thank you so much for packing this so nicely, Alma. And there is the brush. It's a Sonia G brush and some lovely samples as well. These are from a brand called Beauty Stat that I don't know really anything about, so let me know if you have any information about this. I was really intrigued by this brush because one of the things it mentioned is that it applied bronzer without disturbing any of the makeup underneath. So I really want to give this a try and see if that is my experience with this brush. And I love the unusual shape. I am very drawn to very unique looking brushes, which I have quite a few of, and so I was excited about this one as well. I think it'll go great along the hairline as well as under the cheekbones. Here's the other side, and thank you so much to those of you who let me know I should pick it up. Someone let me know they have 2 of these, that's how much you love it. So thank you very much for the recommendation and letting me know to not let this one pass me by, because I guess it sold out previously, so I did want to make sure I picked it up this time. I also kindly received another Common Air Vitamin C. These are 10% vitamin C serum capsules for topical use. So if you look inside, there are these little capsules in there, and they each have just the right amount of vitamin C in there, nice and emollient on the skin. But I also wanted to show you something new they've come out with. This is not brand new because I had a chance to try it out before it was released. So thank you so much to Common Air for sending both of these over. This is 0.2% retinol serum. On the inside of the box it says no plastic is fantastic. And these are also topical capsules that you apply to the face, and these are retinol. So let me take one out of each. We've got the retinol and the vitamin C. And I have been trying out the retinol. It's very nice and gentle on the skin. This retinol serum says it's a post-facial glow without irritation. Retinol's clinically proven benefits are boosted by smoothing botanicals that detox and visibly renew skin, while squalene and algae oil nourish in our formula made for melanin-rich, sensitive skin, your beautiful skin. And it includes 60 biodegradable vegan capsules. And this particular retinol was created with melanin in mind because they came across very few studies or retinol trials for those with darker skin, so they introduced their own. And so let me show you what this looks like. And of course, use SPF with this and avoid extra sun. Just as I normally do, I always wear SPF. So you can see there that it's quite viscous, just like the vitamin C, and it feels really hydrating on the skin. So thank you so much to Common Air, and congratulations on this new release. I made another little Selfridges order, just a little one. I picked up the little Traveler's exclusive Guerlain powders. I don't have any of their loose powders, so that's one reason I wanted to try these. This is the Météorites Miniature Travel Touch. Oh wow, they're really cute. So smaller than I thought they would be. Here we go, we have Mythic and Golden Shimmer. This is the shade Mythic. It's a pinkier tone, it looks like. And this is a shade Golden. Golden has a yellow flower, or flower with yellow on the top, and Mythic has that pink flower on the top. When you take off the lid, there is this like a sponge on the top, and I'm not sure if the product goes through. Yeah, at first I thought you have to put the actual little powder sponge puff thing in there, but there are holes, but there's also a plastic lid covering it. So let's remove that. So this is a shade of Mythic. I just swatched it directly on my arm here without the applicator. But we'll use the applicator as well. This is a shade Golden Shimmer, and it does have that very distinct Guerlain fragrance. I just took a little bit of that powder and swatched it with my clean hands, but let's use the applicator. So you can see this is almost undetectable on the skin, so I'm really curious how this is gonna go with application. This is Mythic right here, got that on my arm. And that's what it looks like when the powder comes out. And I've got Golden Shimmer here. Now there's more intermittent shimmer, and that's kind of the only thing that I see. So we'll see how that goes. And I just received this from Chantecaille. This is my beauty secret to glowing radiant skin. I can't wait for you to try our new 24 karat gold firming moisturizer and see the way it transforms your skin. Love, Olivia. Oh, wow. I don't really know about this product. Firm, Strengthen, Repair. I love the gold line, so very curious about this. The insert talks about this firming moisturizer. It's got 24 karat gold, which imparts soothing antioxidant benefits. 100% vegan gold, peptide, which revitalizes skin with its wrinkle-fighting, skin-renewing powers. It's got another peptide that smooths out signs of aging and visibly boosts luminosity. Here's the gold collection. I actually do have everything here except for, yes, this 24 karat gold firming moisturizer. There's a gold pouch, which will open up. And then there's something in here, which is a velvet pouch. Let's open this first. It says Chantecaille here. I have really no idea what this is. Oh, wow. Look at that. Okay, that's just beautiful anyway. Hopefully there's something to read about, but I'm assuming it's a firming tool, something like that. And it says Chantecaille on the side. And then we have this pouch. Thank you so much to Chantecaille for sending this over, by the way. And we've got the 24 karat gold firming moisturizer. And here is the moisturizer. It's got a pump dispenser, and then I'll dispense them out just so we can look at it. So that's the texture. You apply this on clean skin twice daily. Lovely hydrating texture and just the faintest gold appearance in there. It's really pretty. Actually, I'm gonna try this on in the video that I filmed today. Thank you so much. And then there's this big box. I think it got a little bit tossed around in the mail, but I'll show you what's inside. So thank you, Christophe, for sending these over. They are introducing a new anti-pollution regimen. Actually, let me show you. So it says here, purify your routine. Christophe is introducing a new anti-pollution regimen to its cult purifying range with the launch of 2 new products. This right here is the new purifying mask that they've come out with. Ooh, it's really pretty. It's the color of the box right here. That's beautiful. And it has that same fragrance. That's one of the reasons I love these products so much. It smells so clean. I love it. And it says it's to be followed by the new purifying shampoo with thermal mud. It's an improved reformulation of the purifying shampoo. And then this is my shampoo that I am currently using. I love this. I'm so glad I got another one because I am running out of the last one that I'm on. So thank you again so much to Christophe for sending everything over. So we have the shampoo as well. We also have the purifying conditioner gelée. It says this new anti-pollution regimen is expertly crafted to take the utmost care of stressed scalps and dry lengths for a rebalanced scalp and moisturized lengths, while the iconic detox regimen was designed to target oily or sensitive scalps for a smooth scalp and smooth hair. Thank you so much to Christophe for these lovely products. This is not brand new to me, but it is new on the site and it's available if you wanted to purchase it, if you saw it and you liked it when I featured it. It's a beautiful mirrored box. Inside there are 2 of the AM and 2 of the PM Gold Recovery Intense Concentrate products, which I've been using. And actually 2 of these are empty, but I put them back in here just so you could see what it looks like inside. So if you didn't want to pick up the one that has 4 AM and 4 PM, you could pick this one up and try it out. But I thought I'd point out, in case those of you who are huge Chantecaille fans would like a keepsake like this, it's now available. But look for those videos in the future with the products I recently picked up. But that's it for today's video, so please take care of each other, stay well. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned something, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time.